Hey Tesla fans, it's Adir from T-Sportline, and today we'll be going over the DIY installation of our Model Y caliper covers. Our caliper covers are offered in both red and yellow. Today we'll be installing yellow, and they're the exact same dimensions, features, and shape as the factory performance calipers that comes on all Model Y performance cars. They're made out of die-cast precision aluminum for a very long-lasting finish, rust-free, and they fit all Tesla Model Y long range and single motor standard range cars with the factory 19 through 21 inch wheels and T-Sportline 18 inch through 21 inch wheels. You'll see today that this is a straight bolt-on fit, no modifications needed, and let's get to the installation.
Hi, this is Ollie with T-Sportline. So today we're going to be putting on the caliper covers on the Tesla Model Y. It's very, very similar, if not identical almost, to the Model 3 that we did earlier on. Couple of things to mention, like I said in the previous video, make sure that the bleed valve for the brakes, even though it's a fake bleed valve, is on the top so it looks the same. Make sure that when you put this on, it clicks into position. Once it's in, it won't move. Get your brackets and your hardware that comes in the box. Get one bolt with the washer already on it and your Allen key that comes with it. From the back. Click this around and then get your screw in from the back and tighten up. Once you've got the top one just a little bit, you do the same thing with the bottom one. And that's it. That's how you do the front one. So here we are at the back one. It's almost identical to the front one, it's just a different shape. So you put your caliper cover over the front, you take your bracket, drop it over the top, put your screw in. So we're just going to finish this up with the decal to go on the top. You can do it if you like, if not, it's all by the by. You just go peel it off, making sure that it all comes off when you peel it off. Once you put it on, just rub over with your thumb or a credit card or anything like that, just to make sure that the decal, the adhesive part of the decal, is stuck to the caliper and not to the release paper. And you just peel it off real slow back on itself, like this. And there you have your decal. And you can copy the same process and just do the same on the rear.
And there you have it. Very simple, straightforward installation of our caliper covers. And as you can tell, it transforms the exterior of the car, gives it a more aggressive look. We'd love to hear your opinion. Would you go with red or would you go with yellow like the car behind me? Thank you. We have many more great videos coming your way soon. So like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great rest of your day.